We're getting there with some products, you guys. We're getting there. Hello, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from el título del video, we are doing our final update of our summer project pan. It breaks my heart because the next time I will be talking about these products will be for the finale, and then fall will be here. I don't hate fall, but I prefer summer. Because we are off. The kids are off. It's just so much more fun. I'm so sad to see summer go. I feel like it went rather quickly, but I think it's because we were just busy, but we were busy having fun. And I'm not gonna dwell on that. We're going to soak up the memories. All right, Alex, get up off. Vamos, vamos, vamos. You are here to hear. Yep, you're here to hear about these products. So if you're interested, vámonos. Okay, so let's start out with the first product, which was the MAC Mattifying Shine Control Primer. So this is in here to finish off, you guys, and I am almost there. It's not quite there. I don't use a lot, and if you've seen any of my Get Ready With Me's, I just posted one recently this month. You will see how much I use of this. It's not much, so this is gonna last me at least the last month. I feel like I am right there, like literally right there. I probably have about 2 weeks worth left of this, which is perfect because then summer's dwindling and I will move on to something else. This past month, I used this 21 times. In total, this was used 37 times. So I've used this now 37 times, you guys. That's over a month, and I still have quite a bit of products. All of the statistics will be on the screen for you guys. You guys can see it, but I'm going and I'm doing it and I'm almost there. So this should be an empty by the finale. Mally eyeshadow, or the Mally eyeliner, you guys. So this is still going. This is still going. In total, this past month, I used this 15 times. In total, in this project pan, I've used this 28 times, and here we are. I just sharpened it today, you guys. I don't know how much further down this is going to go, so I know where I'm going to stop, but this is still creamy, and it is still going. It just surprises me of certain formulas are so well done that even after years of having it and then constantly using it and sharpening it, it doesn't dry out. And then you have other ones that just suck. Legit suck. But this one is great. I really enjoy it, and it's still here, you guys. I knew it was going to take me all year to finish this, but that's okay. I actually have an eyeliner that I think I could finish real quick because it's so creamy. So I might end up with another eyeliner in this project, or in this year, that I finished off, which is awesome. My Urban Decay setting spray. So this, I could feel it's rather light. This past month, I used this a total of 21 times. I used quite a bit of grams up of this one. I could feel that it is light. It is not that full in here. In total, I have used this setting spray 37 times. I forgot to tell you, in total, this eyeliner was used 28 times. But anyway, back to this. 37 times. I've used it almost every day, with the exception of a few days where I was using the What's Up Beauty new one, or I have another one in another project pan that I was using, but I was using both of those in conjunction with this one. So this, if I keep going the way that I'm going, should be done. And it just will, I think I should be done. Because starting in September, I kid you not, September 1st, I'm going to be wearing makeup 5 days a week for 4 months straight. So that means a lot of my products are going to get used quite a bit. So this should be done by the next update, or at least close enough, but I know by the end of the year that should be done. All right, our next product is MAC Laying Low. This is the paint pot that I chose this year. This past month, I used this 21 times. In total, I have used this sucker 35 times. And the crevice is getting deeper. I am so happy with it. I don't know. We're at 35 uses. Typically, it's like about over 60 uses for me to hit pan. I don't think I will hit 30 uses, so I don't think I will be hitting pan on this one. But at least I made a nice dent, and this will continue to be used until the winter time. So I think, because even in the fall, I'm going to continue to use this. So I think by the end of the year, this should have pan, but I don't think by this particular project pan. So we're still working on it. 35 uses on this, and it's going strong. Going strong. Very excited about that one. I like this one a lot. A lot. I would always repurchase this one. Last product that I have that is still here in this project is the Maybelline Trust Your Gut lipstick. I'm trying real hard, you guys. I am trying, but you guys know I love the lip, but I'm trying to remember to mix it with other things, and it's getting there. So this past month I used this 8 times. In total, 17 times I've used this lip product. And we have this little bit of a nubby left. You guys can see I have orange residue from today's lipstick because I am wearing it today with a lipstick. So I'm just going along. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, this is with the orange, but then you can see. So I'm just making it work, you guys. I don't know. I don't know if this will be done by the end of the month, but I'm going to do my best, and I think I should be able to finish this by the end of the year. So as long as it's done by the end of the year and at least I have one lipstick empty, then I'm okay with it. So I don't know about this project, but I believe by the next one, because I don't think in 8 uses I should be able to finish that. I don't know. And then if you were here the last update, the last product that I had in here was my Lancome concealer, and that was done the last update. So I have one less product in for this project pan. Let's recap. Put our thoughts together for the finale. My adios. I should be done this. I definitely should be done my MAC mattifying primer, which is great. I do have another one already, and I do have other primers that I want to use. So we'll see how this works, because I am wearing a lot of more glowy products these days. So I do need something for my T-zone, but we'll see. We'll make this work. We'll make this work. You should be done. Then our MAC paint pot, I don't think this should have pan in it, but I think I should get at least another 15 uses out of it, which is great, because that's better than nothing. This eyeliner, man, if I could just understand how much further down I need to go in order to finish this. ¿Cuándo? Dime. No? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But hopefully this should be done. I'm hoping to have this done by the end of this project pan, but if not, by the end of the year, pretty sure. This should be very, very close, you guys. I think this should be done by the finale. I really do. I don't think that this will last past the finale, which makes me excited because this is my oldest setting spray. And then that's it. I have all the rest I think that I have are alcohol free, so that's awesome. Then last but not least is this one. This one's going to be here. I should have this done by the end of the year. I don't know. So, Rebecca from Panning and stuff would have had this done 3 years ago. Here I am, struggling with this little nubby. Struggling. Homegirl can pan a lip product. Not me. Not me. I just can't do it. I try. I don't have those beautiful, luscious lips that she has. So I don't use as much product. So we're hoping by the end of the year. I don't think it'll be done by this project. Ooh, look. And I have a sharpener. Who knew? All right, guys. That's it. That is it. I am so excited. I am going to go enjoy the outdoors. It is a beautiful sunny day. I love this. I'm soaking in every last second of my summer vacation. I am excited. I'm excited for school to start again, but I'm also sad because that means summer's over. Because then it just starts, and then the hamster wheel just goes and goes and goes. I just got to suck it up. Suck it up, Alex. Suck it up. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thank you guys very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I always say that. You guys are amazing. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.